Hi guys, it's me again, Letty McLeod, the owner of the Organic Cleaning Machine. Today we're going to give you a little tutorial about the wall close to the counter. When people are here and every day brushing their teeth, they splash some of the toothpaste. Another thing is when people use product on their hair, it splashes on the wall. And the dust and dirt that goes all over the bathroom is also right here on the switches. Then you have your hand towel over here, and this metal part, it gets pretty dusty as well. So today, I'm just going to show you, I used an old toothbrush and I make it wet with soap and water. And remember, we always use a Dawn dish soap, which is the best. I recommend it, highly recommend it. And we have a rag, a clean rag. With the toothbrush, we're just going to do very quick on the top of the switch and between. And then we're going to dry it. And it's going to get really clean. Now the wall, you have to think about what kind of paint is on the wall, because some paint is a very, very bad quality. The only thing I recommend is to use your sponge with soap and water, which is not gonna make any damage on the wall. And you're just gonna go very gentle on it. If the spot doesn't come off, don't try to force it because we don't wanna damage the wall. And right away, you're gonna do right there on this metal ring. I'm gonna show you very quick how is the dirt right there that was mentioned. Some of this dust is the lint from the toilet paper, but it gets also sticky for the hair product and for the dust that's all over our air every single day. Don't forget to keep watching, subscribe, like, and keep following us because we're gonna make your house shiny and pretty.